2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.